Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday and it's a beautiful day. Quit raining, and I'm just out for my bike ride. Got my bike parked right over there. That's the bay in there. Everybody's out fishing today. Look at all the trucks. There's a whole parking lot full of trucks and trailers. Yeah, they're all here at the boat launching area. And I'm going to be working on the bus today. I think I'm going to start in on the on painting all the door frames, get all that rust taken care of. And after that, I think I'm going to move on to getting the propane figured out. I hope you're not getting too much wind noise here. I'm just using my camera. There's the boat ramp right there. Everybody's out having fun in the ocean there. A lot of people on the beach down there. And the park up there where I normally ride, it's full of vehicles. A lot of people living in their cars there. And I don't have a problem with that because, you know, economic conditions for everybody is pretty bad. And I think that's all right. If that's the way they can make it, that's cool with me. Yeah, this is beautiful out here. There's Crescent Beach. Yeah, it's just full of people over there. A lot of surfers, even though there's no waves. They go out there and ride the little ones, I guess. Well, I'm going to get back to the shop and I'm going to get started. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and clean up this this rust out here. And I'm going to use a wire wheel. This is the Harbor Freight wire wheel. I got like a 6-pack of different ones. Well, that's going to make quick work of those. Okay, I just want to show you what I was doing, and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I think this is the fourth day, or maybe the fifth day that this thing's been on, just on the solar panels and the batteries, and left it on continually, day and night, and it just shut off. It's at 32 degrees. And we're at 13.7 up here, and it was 14 just a minute ago, but it ran for a little bit here, and running that compressor drained it down a little bit, but it'll take itself right back up again. And so the solar system is going to run this refrigerator with no problem whatsoever. So that is a good thing there. Okay, I'm going to go back outside and work on that the door frame a little more. I just wanted to come in here and check this out. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I've taken my my DeWalt sander, and I had some 150 grit on it, and I just went in between every one of these after I wire brushed the caps. And now that's all that's left is a little bit of hand sanding with some 180 grit. I hit this with 150, but if I'm careful, I can hold this paper next to the edge and clean this edge up right here, all the way up the edge. Then I'll get some direct-to-metal primer and put over this. First I'll osfill it, then I'll put the primer on it. I'll need to get down this edge too. I just wanted to see what it was looking like. But that's what I'm going to be doing. I've already done, I've done up here. I got to sand that some more. And I went down this side right here too. So, just got a little more sanding to do. I'm into it about 10 minutes now. I think about a half an hour I should be finished up with this. So I'm going to go ahead and keep doing this, and I'll bring you back when I got it taped up and ready to prime. Hey, good afternoon everybody. How are you guys doing? There's been a lot of curiosity about how close I am to being done with this bus. And I'm going to run through the checklist with you, and so you can see just how close it is. Before it goes up for sale. And I figured out something to do with those extra window covers I was goofing with. I have 4 of these. I'm just going to use them to go across the front window here, and one to go in front of the doorway right here, and just use them for privacy shades. I could probably put a little hook up here and hang one here too in front of the seat, so it would just block the whole front end off and give it a little privacy up here. I got my rugs today. I don't know what you guys think of them, but these are made by Maples. It's a company in Alabama. They're USA made and machine washable. I can pull them up. There's 3 of them, and this is what I've got. I didn't put them under the table part there because I want to be able to, you know, sweep that out and stuff, especially if you drop anything on the floor. Not like I ever do that. And I got one under here too. But anyway, what do you guys think of that? I think it goes pretty decent with the green. It kind of ties some of the colors in with the, with the blue seats, and it ties some of the colors in with the colors of the birch. You get some of that color in there, and it added green to it, a little bit of splash of green. And yeah, if I get some bed coverings that, you know, will work with this, it'll be great. So I put some throws over the beds. And what else am I doing here? Oh, I was going to check this out. Here's my short list here. I got to install the window drip protectors. That's drip rails that go on the outside above each one of the windows. They're aluminum, painting them to match, and going to just hook them to the outside to help keep any water from running down the windows. And I got to finish the blackout shades. I got to finish the bed area trim here, which what we're talking about there is there's a little area right back there that needs to be finished off. And over here where there's some wiring, I need to put a corner trim on that. And what else do we have? Oh, the rear window here. I still need to put a cornice up here, window box, something for the shade to go up into. I still need to build that, and I need to put a blackout shade on it back here. And oh, bed straps. This Murphy bed needs straps put around the mattress to hold it in place. At least I thought it did. It fits in there so tight it's never going to come out. But you know, you want them on there too. Here's a set of 4 I'm going to put on there. They're just like backpacking straps. They got a little squeeze buckle on them, so you can snap them together. And this will hold the pillow on the bedding when it's in the upper position. So I got to install that. And let's see what else here. Well, I got to find my bed coverings and make that purchase. And the big thing is I need to install the propane lines and test the system. So what I want to do is I want to hook up the stove to the propane tank. It also is going to require a T on the back side of this wall going up to the water heater that's there, because that's propane direct fired. And I'm going to also want down there on the bottom of the bus on this side, I'm going to want a connector so I can hook an external tank to it. Extra tank, you know, like an extra 5er or a 10-pounder or whatever. And I have not decided whether or not I'm going to do that myself or not yet. I'm still studying it, and I may have a professional do that. Okay, I got to make my bug screens, and I got to polish the exterior and wax it, and that's a big job there. I got to clean, get any oxidation off of it. I got to polish it all up. Then I got to put a full wax on it. Then I got to detail the interior, and I got to still install a battery charger. So when it's plugged in, it's charging the batteries. Or if you're storing it, it'll charge the batteries. And I got to redo the bathroom floor. I'm not very happy with what happened in here. I'll show you what's going on. See these, this was stick-on tiles. You see that one fell off right there, see it? Look at this. You know, I bet I could just flip that one right off of the side here. Yeah, not happy at all with that. So I'm going to go ahead and they're stuck to the floor really good. It's just these walls that I'm having a problem with. Like this one here, see? Pulled it right off. Can't have that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up running a board around in here, a piece of birch wood, and finish that off nicely with wood. Because the floor itself, it's sticking right to it. I think I coated the floor, and that's why it's sticking good. But this bare wood, it just doesn't seem to want to do it. And so I still got that little mess to deal with. Can't have that kind of stuff going on here. And I've got to build aluminum window struts for these windows. I got pieces of wood holding them out right now, the ones that tilt out like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of this channel aluminum and I'm going to cut a notch in it at an angle so it fits into the angle of the window right here. See this little channel here? It'll fit down inside that channel. And that way when the wind blows it and pulls away from the window, it doesn't release the rod and it falls on the ground like the wood ones do. But I'll just cut little notches on each end of these and that should be fine. I've got plenty of aluminum to do all that. And that's going to be about it. I'm going to be pretty close. This refrigerator, still sitting on 33. It's been running for 5 days now. And I'm at 13 volts. It was 13.8 a little while ago, but I turned on the inverter, and the inverter pulls it down a little bit because I'm running this fan. But it hasn't, the refrigerator has not quit running. Well, you know, it runs and it stops, and it runs and it stops, but it has not been off for 6 days almost. So can't beat that. So the solar system's going to keep up with that refrigerator. I had one completely rainy day, and it even kept up on that day. So it drew enough power, so I guess that's going to be okay. I'm thinking about putting one more battery in the battery tray too. That's another thing that I might be doing. And I'm going to put one more in there and see how they stay charged. And if they don't do it good enough, I'm going to go ahead and throw one more 100-watt roof panel on the roof too. That's if I'm not satisfied with the results. But right now I'm pretty happy with everything. It's working out pretty good. The solar, the 200 watts of solar and the two 12-volt deep cycle batteries has been doing everything I've wanted so far. And it may just stay that way. I'm not sure. I'm going to test it a little bit more. I'm going to take it for a weekend outing and see how it holds up too, prior to selling it. So back to working on the outside, I guess. I'm still doing the the little bit of cleanup around the door frames. So I just wanted to get in touch with you guys and let you know what's going on. So I'll talk to you later, my friends. Bye-bye. After reviewing all that, I forgot to include something here, and it's the inside of the bathroom. I have not put anything on the wood in there yet. I need to put a urethane on that, and on the front side of the wall here, right behind the driver's seat, I still have to do that, and I've still got this back here. I forgot on that. I got this wall up there. I think I already showed you that once. And any of the new stuff I put in over here, the new trim I'm going to have to do. So I just wanted to include that in too. So we are getting close, and I can't see it being more than a few more weeks away. So I have to get this thing finished up while the summer's still here, and I don't want to try to sell this in the middle of the winter. And yeah, I still got this wall back here to do too. That wall right there. So I'm going to have to talk to you guys later then. I just wanted to make sure everybody was up to speed here, and let you know where I'm at on this whole project. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check this out. There's the straps. It holds the mattress down. Down here we can even hold the bedding, fold the bedding up and strap it down with these straps. And when you want to get in the bed, you just unhook the straps. And you just flip these back against over there, and we're ready for bed. I thought that was pretty neat. These straps hook up really easy. I can even do it one-handed. There. Then just give them a little pull to snug, and you're ready to fold her back up again. That's what I was doing. I didn't want to go outside. It's hot out there. So I just decided to put these straps on. I'll show you how I did it. See? I just put a couple screws in each one of them. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later.